But parang nakita ba ng liga natin na posibleng yung mga mahuhusay nating atleta ay biglang lilipat lalaro sa ibang liga, sa ibang bansa na parang detrimental sa liga natin, sa mismong dito sa atin sa Pilipinas.
I think what happened to Solomon, first of all, Eliza Solomon did not apply for the draft. I think she's still bent on trying to play abroad. And we don't want to stop the players from playing abroad because for them it's a way where they can earn more, right? Unfortunately for Eliza Solomon is when she applied to the draft of in Korea, and then the UAAP said, hey, you have to stop playing in the UAAP, and that was at the height of the season. So she decided to withdraw from the draft of Korea. And I think what happened was there's a penalty that she can reapply in Korea for another 3 years. No? So, kawawa naman yung bata, di ba? Pero I think they're trying to appeal this. Hopefully they will succeed. We really do not want to stop players who are good enough to play abroad. First of all, it will be good for them income-wise. And secondly, it will also help with their development. And when they come back, maybe they will be able to share what they learned with other players that we have here.
On our part, sir, kasi mas maganda, di ba, na nagdadagdagan yung talento natin, humuhusay yung mga atleta natin. Will there be chance for Eliza if she decided na mag-join pa, or too late na?
It's too late. We have rules that we want to follow. We don't want to make any exceptions. Because if we allow her to play after she failed to join the draft this year, baka next year marami nang gagawa ng ganun. May precedent, di ba? We don't want to make set precedent. So she'll have to sit out 1 year if she wants to come back and play for the PBL. But we're still hoping that she'll be able to play abroad.
Sir, what about Aloha Robbins Hardy? Hindi siya nag-drop combine, but ang sabi niya ay no other team can drop her aside from Parfresh. Kung hindi Parfresh, mag-abroad na lang siya, doon na lang siya mag-stay sa US. Paano natin i-consider yung ganitong situation, parang na-hold up yung PBL na yung player mag-i-insist ng gantong condition kaagad?
We will not allow that. No? If she cannot choose the team that she wants to play for, she has to go to the draft. Now, if another team decides to draft her, and she says she refuses to play for that particular team, there will be sanctions. We still haven't discussed what sanctions we will impose on athletes that volleyball players that violate this rule. Once you go to the draft and a team drafts you, you have to play for the team or you don't play at all.
Okay, Sir Sherwin, last question po. Sir, yung SEA Games will happen in December. Yung last All Filipino natin, 6 na buwan. Paano tatakbo yung ating next coming season?
Okay. Bale, yung mahaba natin na season will be cut short because of the SEA Games. What will happen? Yung official start ng season 2025-26, which is the reinforced conference, will begin sa October. Pero because, again, balik tayo, because of the SEA Games, baka cut short siya. Bago mag-December, matatapos na siya. To give way to the national team athletes na naglalaro sa PBL. Then we will resume with the All-Filipino in January. So yun ang po natin, ang magiging kalendaryo natin for season 25-26.
Good morning, Sir Sherwin. Sir, ano lang for the benefit of the listeners, paano lang po yung draft order natin sa this coming Sunday para may continue.
Okay. Bale yung draft order natin for this coming week, this coming weekend, doon sa first round, kasi yung top 4 natin, sa first round, ang top 4, nag-lottery sila. So, ang first pick is Capital One, then next is Galleries Tower, then third is Farm Fresh, and then fourth is Next Led. Then 5 onwards is Zeus Coffee, Signal, Choco Mucho, Cherry Tico, PLDT, Akari, Petrogas, and Flimline. Ngayon, doon sa succeeding rounds, bali ang number 13 pick si Next Led na. So Next Led, 13, 14 si Capital One, 15 si Galleries, ta 16 si Farm Fresh. Then same order rin yung nabanggit from Zeus Coffee to Flimline.
Bali lahat ng teams makaka-pick ba sa first round?
Palagay ko, sa dami ngayon ng pagpipilian, lalagpas ng first round. We're hoping na hanggang second round magpipick lahat, which is like picking 24 players out of 60 minimum. Sana nga, we're hoping umabot hanggang lagpas ng 30 mapipick this year.
Are trades allowed ba?
Okay. Ang rookie hindi pwede i-trade. Yeah. But we already introduced the idea of trading to the teams. Ang trading natin, kung rookie, kailangan mag-stay muna ng 1 year sa teams bago sila pa i-trade. 1 season rather. So, after 1 season, tsaka lang siya pwede i-trade ng isang team. At bawal din ang, which is discussed na rin sa teams, bawal ang trading among sister teams. Yeah. And within the year, we'll let you know kapag maayos na yung details, magkakaroon tayo this year.
Does that include yung draft rights sa pwedeng hindi trade?
Yes, draft rights hindi rin pwede i-trade.
So, mas maganda siguro kung talagang yung Farm Fresh ma-pick na nila agad si Aloy, para walang
Sana naman, kasi yung mangyayari pag ibang team ang nag-pick sa kanya, 3 years, hindi siya pwede i-trade, kung ayaw niya mag-sign ng contract, 3 years siyang, although nagbitaw siya sa salita, hindi daw siya maglalaro. So, hindi natin alam. Pero sana i-pick na siya agad ni Farm Fresh.
wala kayong communication with her about that statement na binigay mo?
Direct wala direct communication. Nakita na lang din namin kahapon lumabas. But I think that being the third pick, pipiliin naman yan ni Farm Fresh. I doubt kung papalagpasin nila yan.
Thank you, sir.
Siguro, going back to the draft prospects, we saw an increase in foreign-based players na nag-apply for this year's draft. Siguro from your point of view na lang po, what makes the league inviting for those with Filipino descent also from the other countries, no? And are we seeing a trend na baka next year lalong dumami pa ulit yung mga foreign players natin? And are there any siguro discussions to discuss rules specifically for foreign players? Meron po ba tayong mga guidelines specifically for them?
Right now, with Phil Foreign, we're hoping na we entice more Filipino foreign athletes to play in the BBL. Although yun nga, let's face it, lalo na pag mataas ang level ng Filipino, usually naglalaro siya sa sa Europe or South America or Japan, Korea. But maganda kasi kung ma-entice natin because it will help raise the level of competition sa Pilipinas, which in effect will help the whole Philippine program, from grassroots to collegiate to the national teams, having those high-level players playing for us. So we're hoping na ma-entice pa natin sila to play for us. Now, in terms of rules for Philforeigns, as long as they have a Philippine valid Philippine passport. Yun ang requirement. Kasi proof of citizenship na Pinoy sila. Yun ang ano. And plus, nandun na rin yung age and yung sex nila. Kung babae at 21 years old up sila.
Ako, ang clarification lang po dun sa draft order po. Since yung sa first round po will be Capital One Galleries, Farm Fresh, and Next List, bakit po siya na iba for second round po? Kung tama po yung na-mention nyo na Next List po yung magiging 13th pick, then Capital One 14, Galleries 15, Farm 16.
Okay. Bale, yung sa top 4 kasi, nagkaroon tayo ng lottery. Dun sa, nung ginawa natin yung order, which was based dun sa reinforced and all-Filipino conferences. No, may weight yan 1/3, 2/3. Na-determine natin ngayon yung 12, yung ranking ng 12 teams. And then, yun lang, yung top 4, to avoid tanking, no, kaya tayo naglagay ng lottery. So, it doesn't follow na kung ikaw yung worst team, ikaw yung first pick. Which yun nga ang lumabas dito sa lottery. Na si Nextlet was in both conferences, yung sa kanila yung pinaka lowest record. So they got, supposedly they're the first pick, but to avoid nga yung tanking, no, para in the future di naman magpapatalo ang team para lang maging first pick. Meron tayong nilagay na lottery system. Kaya in this case, naging number 4. Considering they have 40% chance of being the first pick na taon, sila yung fourth pick. Hindi pa rin masama, nasa top 4 pa rin sila. Kaya lang, hindi sila yung first pick. Ngayon, dun sa second round, back to original